In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Shopify Payments. If you no longer want to use Shopify Payments as your main gateway, you can easily deactivate it from your store settings. Whatever the reason, here's how to turn it off step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard right here. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. From there, choose Payments. In the Payments section, you'll see Shopify Payments listed at the top if it's currently activated. To disable it, click Manage. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll find the option Deactivate Shopify Payments. When you click this, Shopify will ask you to confirm your choice and provide a reason for deactivation. Select your reason, confirm, and then hit Deactivate. Once done, Shopify Payments will be turned off, and it will no longer appear as a checkout option for your customers. Keep in mind that if Shopify Payments was your only active payment gateway, you'll need to set up an alternative method so customers can still complete purchases. Shopify supports plenty of third-party payment providers, as well as PayPal, so you can enable those in the same payments settings section. And that's it, you've successfully deactivated Shopify Payments. From now on, your store will rely on whichever payment gateways you choose to keep active. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.